Hello everyone, welcome back to Anita Misra Math classes and this is Anita Misra here. Today I have taken class 10 chapter 12 areas related to circles. Exercise 12.2 and we have already completed exercise 12.1 and we have also completed trigonometry and its application. तो सबसे पहले तो मैं आपको बोलूंगी कि आप मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए और बेल आइकन प्रेस करना बिल्कुल मत भूलिए ताकि आपको नए वीडियो का नोटिफिकेशन मिलता रहे। और प्लीज इस वीडियो को ज्यादा से ज्यादा लाइक और शेयर करिए। और हाँ, इस वीडियो के नीचे आपको एक प्लेलिस्ट का लिंक मिलेगा, वहां पे आप क्लिक करेंगे तो आपको क्लास 10 की मैथ्स की बहुत सारी वीडियो मिलेंगी, वहां से भी आप बहुत सारी वीडियो देख सकते हैं। सो बिफोर गोइंग टू स्टार्ट दिस एक्सरसाइज वी शुड नो areas of sector and segment of a circle. So let us see them first. Areas of sector and segment of a circle. So first we have to know that what is a sector and what is a segment. For sector we can say that the portion of the circular region enclosed by two radii and the corresponding arc is called a sector of the circle. Okay, so let us see this in a diagram. Okay, so first we have to draw a circle. Yes, so draw here a circle. This one is a circle. O is the center of this circle. Let R is the radius of this circle. So write here R. And suppose this angle is theta. So this portion, the portion enclosed by two radii and a corresponding arc is called sector of a circle. So this sector is called minor sector and this one is called major sector. So write here minor sector and this one is called major sector. So here we have to find out area of this sector and length of this arc of this sector. Okay, so first we have to find out area of this sector. Here so we know that for a complete revolution angle will be 360 degree. That means if this theta is equal to 360 degree, then area of this sector will be equal to the area of this circle. And we know the formula for area of circle. Area of a circle is pi r square. That means if theta is equal to 360 degree, area of this sector will be pi r square. So write here, if angle is 360 degree, then area of a sector is equal to area of a circle, that is equal to pi r square. So for 1 degree it will be pi r square divided by 360 degree. Here we have to find out for theta. So we can write if angle is theta, then area of a sector. Then area of a sector will be theta divided by 360 multiplied by pi r square. So finally we can write area of a sector is equal to theta by 360 multiplied by pi r square. This is our formula for area of a sector. Now we have to find out length of this arc. ठीक है. So again, if this theta is equal to 360 degree, then length of this arc will be equal to the length of the whole circle, and length of a whole circle is called its circumference, and circumference is equal to 2 pi r. So for 360 degree we can write, if angle is 360 degree, then length of a arc of a sector is equal to 2 pi r, circumference of the circle. So for angle theta we can write, for angle theta degree, the length of an arc of a sector is equal to theta by 360 degree multiplied by 2 pi r. For 360 degree it is 2 pi r. So for 1 degree it will be 2 pi r divided by 360 degree. So for theta degree it will be theta by 360 multiplied by 2 pi r. Now we have to know that what is a segment. For segment we can say that the portion of a circular region enclosed between a chord and the corresponding arc is called a segment of the circle. Okay, so let us see this in a diagram. So first we have to draw another circle. So let us draw a circle. Okay, let O is the center of this circle, and draw a chord here, this one. And let radius of this circle is r. So we can write here A, P, B, and this one is Q. Let this angle is theta. So the portion enclosed between a chord and the corresponding arc is called a segment. So here this portion is called minor segment. Right here, minor segment. And this portion is called major segment. Major segment. So here we have to find out area of this segment. So we can write area of the segment. Here segment is APB is equal to, here area of this sector is OAPB. So we have to subtract area of this triangle from area of this sector. So we can write area of the segment APB is equal to area of the sector, write this sector OAPB, this one OAPB minus area of the triangle, area of the triangle OAB. So finally we can write area of this sector will be theta by 360 multiplied by pi r square. This will be area of this sector minus area of the triangle OAB. Okay, from this formula we can find out area of this segment APB. Okay, so let us see our first question. Find the area of a sector of a circle with radius 6 centimeter if angle of the sector is 60 degree. Here R is given 6 centimeter and theta is given 60 degree. Okay, so first write what is given. R is given 6 centimeter and theta is equal to given 60 degree. And we have to find out area of a sector. Okay, so write formula. What is formula? Area of a sector is equal to theta by 360 multiplied by pi r square. Then put the value of r and theta. Theta is equal to 60 degree. So write here 60 divided by 360 in place of pi. Pi is equal to 22 by 7. So write here 22 by 7. Here it is given r square and r is 6. So we can write 6 into 6. Cut this 0. Okay. And divide this 36 by 6. So it will come 6. Again here it is 6. So divide this. So finally we get 22 by 7 multiplied by 6. So it is 6 2 ja 12. 6 2 ja 12 and 1 30. So 132 divided by 7. Unit is given centimeter. So it will be centimeter square. So your answer is 132 by 7 centimeter square. This is your answer. So let us see our next question. Question number 2. Find the area of a quadrant of a circle whose circumference is 22 centimeter. So here first we have to draw a circle. Okay. So let us draw a circle. This one is center of this circle. And we know that angle at a center of a circle is equal to 360 degree. So here angle is 360 degree. So divide this circle into 4 parts because quadrant means 1 by 4th. So here we have to find out area of a quadrant of a circle. That means 1 by 4th of a circle. So here total angle is 360 degree. So this angle will be 90 degree. So right here 90 degree. And we have to find out area of this sector. Okay. So first we write what is given. Here circumference is given 22. So right here C is given. C means circumference means 2 pi r. 2 pi r is given 22 centimeter. So we can write 2 plus value of pi. Pi is equal to 22 by 7. So put here 22 by 7. Write here r because we have to find out r. R is not given here. Write here 22. So we can write r is equal to 22 multiplied by 7 divided by 2 multiplied by 22. So this 22 and 22 will cut. So we get r is equal to 7 by 2 centimeter. Now we have r is equal to 7 by 2 centimeter and this angle of this sector is theta is equal to 90 degree. Then what is formula for area of a sector? Because we have to find out area of this sector. So first write formula. Area of a sector is equal to theta divided by 360 multiplied by pi r square. Area of a circle. put the value of theta. Theta is equal to here 90 degrees. So 90 divided by 360 multiplied by pi. Pi is equal to 22 by 7. So write here 22 by 7. And here it is given r square. And r is 7 by 2. So write 7 by 2 multiplied by 7 by 2. Divide this 0 and 0. Then divide this 36 by 9. We get 4. And cut this 7 by 7 also. So we can write 22 multiplied by 7. Here multiplied by 4. Multiplied by 2 and again 2. Divide this 22 by 2. You will get 11. So 11 7 ja 77. Divided by 4 2 ja, this one is cut. 4 2 ja 8. Unit is centimeter, so it will be centimeter square. So your answer will be 77 divided by 8 centimeter square. This is your answer. So let us see our next question. Question number 3. It is the length of the minute hand of a clock is 14 centimeter. Find the area swept by minute hand in 5 minutes. Here length of the minute hand is given. That means radius of a circle is given. So first we write what is given. So write here r is given. R is 14 centimeter. And we have to find out area swept by minute hand in 5 minutes. So first we write area, formula for area of a sector. Okay. So write here area of the sector. Area of the sector is equal to theta by 360 multiplied by area of a circle pi r square. Here we don't know value of theta. So first we find out what is theta. Okay. So we know that angle swept by minute hand in 60 minutes is 360 degree. Okay. So we can write angle in 60 minute. Angle in 60 minutes is equal to 360 degree. So angle in 1 minute, in 1 minute it will be 360 divided by 60. Divide 6 6 36, 6 degree. So angle in 5 minutes. In 5 minutes angle will be 5 multiplied by 6. That means 5 6 30 degree. Now we have r is equal to 14 centimeter and theta is equal to 30 degree. So put here theta is equal to 30 degree and r is equal to 14 centimeter. So we get area of the sector. So write area swept by minute hand is equal to minute hand in 5 minutes. In 5 minutes is equal to, put here theta is equal to 30 degree divided by 360 multiplied by pi r square, and pi is equal to 22 by 7. So write here 22 by 7. R square means r into r and r is 14 centimeter. So write here 14 multiplied by 14. 7 2 ja 14, 2. Divide this 0. Then 3 1 ja 3, 3 2 ja 6. It is 12. Divide this 12 by 2. 2 6 ja 12. Again divide it by 2. 2 3 ja 6 and this one is 11. So now we can write it will be 11 multiplied by 14 divided by 3. So multiply here 14 1 ja 14. 1 carry on. Then 14 1 ja 14 and 1 15. 154 divided by 3 centimeter square. So you can write your answer. Answer will be area swept by minute hand in 5 minutes is equal to 154 divided by 3 centimeter square. This is your answer. So let us see our next question. Question number 4. It is a chord of a circle of radius 10 centimeter subtends a right angle at the center. Find the area of the corresponding, first one is minor segment and second one is major sector. Here pi is equal to given 3.14. So first thing, what is given? Here radius is given 10 centimeter and angle theta is equal to given 90 degree. So first we have to write what is given. Right, r is equal to 10 centimeter and theta is given 90 degree. So let us draw a diagram. Let us draw a circle. Let O is the center of this circle. This angle is given 90 degree. O, A, P, B. And here we have to find out area of this minor segment. First one. And second one is area of this major sector. This one. So here we have to find out area of this minor segment. So we can write area of minor segment APB is equal to area of sector OAPB minus area of this triangle. Area of triangle OAB. माइनर सेक्टर के एरिया में से ट्राइंगल का एरिया सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे तो क्या मिलेगा? एरिया ऑफ माइनर सेगमेंट. ओके, सो फर्स्ट राइट हियर area of sector OAPB. What is formula for area of the sector? Yes, it is theta by 360 multiplied by pi r square. This one is area of sector OAPB minus area of this triangle. This one is a right angle triangle. And what is formula for area of a right angle triangle? Yes, it is 1 by 2 base into height. And height and base both are same. Here this one is radius, so this is 10 centimeter given. So this one is also 10 centimeter. So you can write 1 by 2 base into height. Now put the value of theta. Theta is equal to 90 degree. So write here 90 divided by 360. Pi is equal to given here 3.14. So write here 3.14. And r is equal to given 10. So square of 10 will be 100. So write here 100. Minus 1 by 2. Base is equal to, both are same, both are radius. So it will be 10 into 10. 1 0 and 1 0 will cut. 9 4 ja 36. So when 3.14 is multiplied by 100, it will be 314 divided by 4 minus 100 into 10 will be 100 and 100 divided by 2 will be 50. So write here direct 50. Now divide 314 by 4. 4 7 ja 28. Then 3 and 4 34. Then 4 8 ja 32 and 2 will be remainder. Then it will be 78.5 minus 50. So we get 28.5 centimeter square. So area of this minor segment will be this one, 28.5 centimeter. This is your first answer. You can write here, area of minor segment is equal to 28.5 centimeter square. Now we have to find out area of this major sector. So second one is, for second one, write here second one, area of major sector is equal to area of circle minus area of minor sector. Area of minor sector. So what is formula for area of a circle? Pi r square. Pi is given 3.14 and r is given 10. So square of 10 will be 100 minus area of minor sector is this one. So this one is 78.5. So 3.14 multiplied by 100, it will 314 minus 78.5. Subtract, you will get 5, and 3 minus 8 is not possible, so 13 minus 8 will be 5, and here it will be 0, so 10 minus 7 3, and it is 235.5 centimeter square. So finally we can write area of major sector. Area of major sector will be 235.5 centimeter square. This one is your second answer. This one is your first answer and this one is your second answer. So let us see our next question. Question number 5. It is, in a circle of radius 21 centimeter, an arc subtends an angle of 60 degree at the center. Find the, first one is given, the length of the arc. Second one is area of the sector formed by the arc. Third one is area of the segment formed by the corresponding chord. Okay, here we have to find out three things. And first write what is given. In this question, r is given 21 centimeter and theta is equal to given 60 degree. So first draw a circle. Here O is the center of this circle and this angle is given 60 degree and r is given 21, this one is also. Draw a chord O, A, B. Let this one is P. So first we have to find out the length of the arc. This arc APB. Okay. So what is formula for that? Right here. First write length of the arc APB is equal to theta by 360 into 2 pi r. Now put the value of theta. So right here 60 divided by 360 into 2, pi is equal to 22 by 7 and r is given 21. 7 3 ja 21, 3. 6 6 ja 36. Then here 3 2 ja 6 and 2 and 2. So it will come 22 centimeter. So we can write Answer: length of the arc will be 22 centimeter. This one is your first answer. Now we have to find out area of the sector formed by this arc. Okay, so first write formula. What is formula for area of the sector? Right here, area of the sector is equal to area of the sector is equal to theta divided by 360 multiplied by pi r square. So put here theta is equal to 60 divided by 360, pi is equal to 22 by 7, r is given 21. So write 21 into 21. 7 3 ja 21, right here 3. Then 6 6 ja 36. Then 3 2 ja 6. Then 2, it will be 11. 22 divided by 2 will be 11. So we can write 11 multiplied by 21. Multiply here. 21 ja 21 and 2. So it will be 2 3 centimeter square. So we can write area of the sector. Area of the sector is 231 centimeter square. This is your second answer. Now we have to find out area of the segment formed by the corresponding chord. Now we have to find out this area, and this area is called area of the minor segment. So we can write area of the minor segment. This one is third part. Area of minor segment. Area of minor segment will be area of minor sector, right here. Area of sector minus area of triangle. So find out area of a sector. Area of a sector is theta divided by, first write formula here. Theta divided by 360 into pi r square minus. What will be the area of this triangle? Look here, this angle is 60 degree and this side is 21 centimeter. This one is also 21 centimeter. That means OA is equal to OB. दोनों साइड्स क्या है? इक्वल है, तो इनके सामने के एंगल्स भी क्या होंगे? इक्वल होंगे. दैट मीन्स दिस एंगल A will be equal to angle B. So all the angles will be 60 60 60 because this one is 60. So this triangle will be equilateral triangle. Okay. So what is formula for area of an equilateral triangle? Yes, it is root 3 by 4 A square if A is the side of triangle. So first write here formula. It is root 3 by 4 into A square. In place of A, write here R. Because here side of a triangle is radius of this circle. So write here R square. Now put the value. Theta is equal to 60 divided by 360. Write pi is equal to 22 by 7 into R square. R square means this one. 21 into 21 minus root 3 by 4. R square is, right here again, 21 into 21. So here we have the value of this one. This one is 231 minus square of 21 will be 441. So it will be 441 root 3 by 4. So finally we get our answer. Your answer will be area of this minor segment, right here. Area of minor segment is equal to, answer will be 231 minus 441 root 3 by 4 centimeter square. So this is your answer. This is your third answer. So let us see next question. Question number 6. A chord of a circle of radius 15 centimeter subtends an angle of 60 degree at the center. Find the area of the corresponding minor and major segment of the circle. Here pi is equal to given 3.14 and root 3 is given 1.73. Okay, so first we write what is given. Here r is given 15 centimeter and theta is equal to given 60 degree. So let us draw a circle. Here O is the center. Let AB is the chord. So we have to find out first area of this minor segment and area of this major segment. Okay, so first we find out area of this minor segment. So right here, area of minor segment is equal to, here this angle is given 60 degree and this one is given 15. So this will be also 15. This is radius of a circle. So area of the minor segment will be, we can write area of sector OAPB minus area of triangle OAB. सेक्टर के एरिया से ट्रायंगल के एरिया को सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे तो हमें क्या मिलेगा, एरिया ऑफ माइनर सेगमेंट. सो राइट फार्मूला. व्हाट इज फार्मूला फॉर एरिया ऑफ सेक्टर? यस, इट इज थीटा बाई 360 into pi r square minus, and here this one is 15, this one is also 15 centimeter. So this angle will be equal to this angle. So it will be, and this one is given 60 degree. So all the angles will be 60, 60, 60 degree. So it will be equilateral triangle. And what is formula for area of equilateral triangle? Yes, it is root 3 by 4 into side square. And side is here radius. So we can write root 3 by 4 r square here. Now put the value. Theta is equal to 60 divided by 360. Then write value of pi. Pi is equal to given 3.14 and r is given 15. So write here 15 into 15 minus this one, right? Root 3 by 4 into 15 into 15. So 6 6 are 36. It will be 6. So here we can write 3.14 को लिखेंगे 314 divided by 100 and 6 is given here, so we'll write 1 by 6 also. And when 15 is multiplied by 15, we get 225 minus 225 root 3 by 4. Then when you solve this, you will get 11775 by this 100 minus, write this one, 225 root 3 is 1.732, it is given, divided by 4. Divided by 100, we get 117.75 minus, it will be, when you multiply this and divide by 4, you will get 97.3125. Now subtract this, we get our answer 20.4375 centimeter square. So we can write our answer area of minor segment. Area of minor segment is equal to 20.4375 centimeter square. Now second we have to find out area of major segment. So right here area of major segment. Area of major segment will be area of circle minus area of this minor segment. So right here area of circle minus area of minor segment. So first write area of a circle. Area of a circle is pi r square and pi is given 3.14. So write here 3.14 and r is given 15 centimeter. So we can write 15 into 15 minus area of minor segment. Minor segment is here. We have already this. So this one is 20.4375. Square of 15 will be 225 and 225 is multiplied by 3.14, we get 706.5 minus 20.4375. Then subtract this 706.5 minus 20.4375. We get our answer 686.0625 centimeter square. So area of major segment will be, finally we can write our answer area of major segment. Area of major segment is equal to 686.0625 centimeter square. So let us see our next question. Question number 7. It is a chord of a circle of radius 12 centimeter subtends an angle of 120 degree at the center. Find the area of the corresponding segment of the circle. So here write what is given. Okay, here r is given. So r is given, r is equal to 12 centimeter and theta is equal to given 120 degree. So let us draw a circle first. This one. Let O is the center of this circle. Right, this one is A and this one is B. So AB will be a chord. So we have to find out area of this minor segment. We have to find the area of the corresponding segment of the circle. That means we have to find out area of this minor segment. So we know that area of this minor segment will be area of this sector minus area of this triangle. Okay, so first write this. Area of minor segment is equal to area of sector minus area of a triangle. Right here, this one is 1. So first we have to find out area of this sector. So write first area of the sector. Area of the sector is equal to theta divided by 360 into pi r square. Now put the value of theta. Theta is given 120. So write here 120 divided by 360. And pi is given 3.14. 3.14. R is given 12. So square of 12 will be 144. 144. Divide this. 12 3 ja 36. So it is 3. Now divide 144 by 3. 3 4 ja 12. 2. So it will be 24. So 3. 3 6 ja 18. 3 7 ja 21. 3 8 ja 24. So it will be 48. Then 3.14 multiplied by 48. So we get, multiply this, we get 150.72 centimeter square. So area of this sector will be 150.72 centimeter square. Now we have to find out area of the triangle. Here this angle is given 120 degree and this side is given 15 radius. So this is also 15. So draw perpendicular here. Let this one is M. So area of this triangle will be, right here, area of triangle OAB will be 1 by 2. What will be base of this triangle? Yes, it will be AB. 1 by 2 AB. Base into height. Height is here OM. Right, equation number 2. So first we have to find out AB and this OM. This side is equal to this side. So this angle will be equal to this angle. And this angle is given 120. So this angle will be 30 degree. 30 plus 30, 60 and 120. So it will be 180 degree. So for this angle we can write sine 30. What will be sine 30? From here, we know that sine theta is equal to perpendicular distance divided by hypotenuse. Here for this angle, perpendicular distance will be OM. So we can write OM divided by hypotenuse will be OA. Right here OM and OA is equal to 15. So right here 15. So what will be OM? So OM will be sine 15 multiplied by sine 30. And what is value of sine 30? Sine 30 is equal to 1 by 2. So right here 15 multiplied by 1 by 2. So it will be 7.5. Now we have to find out AB. So for this, first we find out this AN. So we can say that for this angle, that means cos 30. What will be cos 30? Cos 30 degree is equal to base by hypotenuse. So for this angle, AM will be base. So right here, AM divided by hypotenuse क्या होगा? This one, OA. So right here, AM, OA is equal to 15. So what will be AM? Right here, AM is equal to 15 multiplied by cos 30. And what is value of cos 30? Cos 30 is equal to root 3 by 2. So right here, 15 into root 3 by 2. So what will be AB? So AB will be 2 into AM. So we can write AB. AB is equal to 2 AM. Now write here 2 and AM is equal to 15 multiplied by root 3 divided by 2. divide 2 by 2. So we get 15√3. Now put the value of AB and OM here. In equation 2 we get area of the triangle. Area of the triangle AOB is equal to 1 by 2 AB. AB means base, and base is here 15√3. And height is OM. OM is equal to here 7.5. Divide this. Divide 15 by 2. We get 7.5. Put the value of √3. √3 is 1.73. It is multiplied by 7.5 again. So we get 62.28 centimeter square. This is area of triangle. Now put the value of area of sector minus area of triangle. So we have to put value of area of sector here and area of triangle here. Then we get area of this minor segment. Okay. So now put the value of area of sector. First write here area of minor segment. Area of minor segment is equal to, right here area of sector, and area of a sector is here 150.72 minus area of a triangle, and area of this triangle is equal to 62.28. Now subtract this, we get 88.44 centimeter square. So finally we get our answer. Area of minor segment, area of minor segment is equal to 88.44 centimeter square. So this is your answer. इस वीडियो में हम आज यहीं तक सॉल्व करेंगे. इसके आगे के क्वेश्चन हम इस वीडियो के पार्ट 2 में सॉल्व करेंगे. और पार्ट 2 देखने के लिए आप चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना बिल्कुल मत भूलिए, और इस वीडियो को प्लीज ज्यादा से ज्यादा लाइक और शेयर करिए. सो सी यू इन नेक्स्ट वीडियो. टिल देन बाय बाय एंड थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वॉचिंग.